4472. As a rule of thumb, to minimize DME slant range error, how far from the facility should you be to consider the reading is accurate? A. 2 miles or more for each 1,000 feet of altitude above the facility. B. 1 or more miles for each 1,000 feet of altitude above the facility. C. No specific distance is specified since the reception is line of sight. The correct answer is B. Slant range blunder is irrelevant on the off chance that the flying machine is 1 mile or more from the ground office for each 1,000 feet of height over the rise of the office. 4663. When AVOR/DME is collocated under frequency pairings and the VOR portion is inoperative, the DME identifier will repeat at an interval of A. 20-second intervals at 1,020 Hz. B. 30-second intervals at 1,350 Hz. C. 60-second intervals at 1,350 Hz. The correct answer is B. VOR/DME, VORTAC, ILS/DME, and LCC/DME offices are distinguished by synchronized recognizable pieces of proof, which are transmitted on a timeshare premise when either the VOR or the DME is broken. It is vital to recognize which identifier is held for the agent office. A single coded distinguishing proof with a reiteration interim of roughly 30 seconds indicates that the DME is agent. DME is recognized by a coded tone tweaked at 1,350 Hz. 4412. What is the meaning of a single coded identification received only once approximately every 30 seconds from AVO or TAC? A. The VOR and DME components are operative. B. VOR and DME components are both operative, but voice identification is out of service. C. The DME component is operative and the VOR component is inoperative. The correct answer is C. The DME component is operative and the VOR component is inoperative. When a pilot receives a single coded identification from AVO or TAC approximately every 30 seconds, it indicates that the DME component of the VO or TAC is operative, but the VOR component is inoperative. This means that the pilot can still receive distance information from the DME, but the VOR navigation signals are not available. 4669. How does a pilot determine if DME is available on an ILS/LOC? A. IAP indicate DME/TACAN channel in LOC frequency box. B. LOC/DME are indicated on route low altitude frequency box. C. LOC/DME frequencies available in the Airman's Information Manual. The correct answer is A. To determine if DME is available on an ILS/LOC, Instrument Landing System/Localizer, approach, a pilot can refer to the Instrument Approach Procedure, IAP. The IAP will indicate the DME/TACAN, Distance Measuring Equipment/Tactical Air Navigation, channel in the LOC frequency box. This information confirms that DME is available and can be used in conjunction with the ILS/LOC approach. 4044. Which data must be recorded in the aircraft log or other appropriate log by a pilot making AVO or operational check for IF or operations? A. VOR name or identification, date of check, amount of bearing error, and signature. B. Place of operational check, amount of bearing error, date of check, and signature. C. Date of check, VOR name or identification, place of operational check, and amount of bearing error. The correct answer is B. Each individual making the VO or operational check might enter the date, put, bearing blunder, and sign flying machine log, or other record.